Hello, you're watching another Bones and Stones quiz, and this one's easier than the others because you've got a 50% chance of getting every question correct even if you guess. For each of the pictures I'm going to show you, you have to decide whether the phenomenon is natural or man-made. Natural or man-made. So question 1. Have a look at these strange circles. This was taken in the Namib Desert in, unsurprisingly, Namibia. Question 2. What do you think of this? This is on the Vigala River in Estonia. Question 3. What do you think about these strange lights? This picture was taken in Wyoming in America. Question 4. Have a look at this. This was taken in Nevada, America. And last, question 5. Look at this strange red-coloured waterfall. This picture was taken in East Antarctica. Have you had a look? If not, it's a video, just replay the relevant bits, because now I'm going to show you the answers. So question 1. These circular patches of barren land in the arid grasslands of Africa and sometimes Australia are known as fairy circles. They are natural formations, but we still don't know what causes them. Theories include termites, competing grasses and hydrogen-loving microbes. We still don't know. Very mysterious. Question 2. This is a circle of ice. We just call it an ice circle, and it is natural, albeit very rare. These ice discs form on the outer bends in a river whereby the accelerating water shears off a chunk of ice and twists it around. As this chunk of ice rotates, it grinds against the surrounding ice, smoothing it into a circle, which continues to rotate. Next, we have these light pillars in Wyoming, as captured by the photographer Dave Bell in 2017. Light pillars are a rare atmospheric optical phenomenon that tends to form in winter months. This is because they are formed by hexagonal ice crystals in the air, which are normally found higher up in the atmosphere, but float lower down in colder conditions. These ice crystals reflect the city lights, meaning that you can consider light pillars to be man-made. However, they have a much more common natural cousin in the form of sun pillars. And no, although they might look a bit like auroras, they're completely unrelated. For the next question, this is the Fly Ranch geyser in Nevada. Although many geysers are natural formations, this specific one was created accidentally in 1964 by a team of engineers looking to tap geothermal energy. Upon deciding the water wasn't hot enough to use, they tried to cap it off, but failed to seal it properly. And over the years, calcium carbonate deposits have collected and resulted in these rainbow-coloured formations we see today. As for the last question, this is a picture of so-called Blood Falls in East Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys, and it's an entirely natural phenomenon. The red colour is a result not of algae or anything else, but an outflow of iron 3 oxide tainted salt water. The source of this water? A subterranean lake of iron-rich brine hidden beneath hundreds of metres of ice. The iron oxidises it when it comes into contact with the air, so the red colour is basically just rust. There you go, that's your lot. If you enjoyed this quiz, you might want to buy my new Bones and Stones quiz book, which contains 200 questions on natural history and is available in paperback and ebook on Amazon. See the link in the video description. If you don't buy it though, the least you can do is like and/or subscribe.